Hi, Billy the Artist here, and I want to encourage you with some of my previous how to draw videos to get into drawing and get into art. There's lots of new ones coming, so if you like and subscribe you'll be kept up to date with any of the new how to draw videos, but there are over 90 so far in my how to draw playlist. But these are from some of the characters from The Secret Life of Pets movie. We have Max, we have Gidget, we have the evil nasty Snowball, and we have Duke. Anyway, if you check out, the links to these are in the description, but also in the cards on the YouTube channel. So if you just click on the link to some of these videos, but also the how to draw playlist, you can then access these and all of the others. And again, I just want you guys to enjoy drawing. Again, there's lots of others, so there's characters like from Pokemon, you've got Pikachu, you have Jigglypuff, and you have Dragonite. They're using felt tip pens, so it's just all good fun. But this is to get you to learn to draw and to develop with very, very simple, using shapes for very, very simple techniques to get you to learn to draw. Because this is what I did as a child. I started to draw my favourite cartoon characters, and it's led me into my career, which is art. But again, if you want to see how far you can push it, if you check out my portraits playlist, you'll see these. This one is Jenna Coleman, an actress who played Clara Oswald in the Doctor Who series, but also Queen Victoria. And then this is the singer Cheryl, when she was pregnant with her first child Bear, who she had with her partner Liam Payne. So if you check out the playlist, you'll see those done, the time lapses of those, because this one took well over a day. That was about a day's work. And then there's also the Doctor himself and Ed Sheeran, and those time lapses are in the portraits playlist. But again, if you are learning art, you may know someone who's into music as well. If you check out my wife's channel, Sharon Bill, then you will have a lot of music tuition, and there's a lot of stuff there for piano, but also a lot of music theory. And she will take you from absolute beginner right the way through your musical studies. And there are free downloads to accompany all of her guides on her website, sharonbill.com. So again, do check out my playlist, the how to draw, to have fun this holiday and anytime. But also check out Sharon Bill. Links are in the cards and the descriptions. Anyway, thanks for your time. I'll look forward to encouraging you with your drawing with some future videos. Anyway, take care, have fun, ta-da.